Hi students, this is the last video of the first chapter, Mesopotamian Civilization of class 6. So students, in this video, we will focus on the achievements by the Mesopotamians in the field of science and the development of writing. So some of the most important inventions done by the ancient Mesopotamia were irrigation, farming, maps, mathematics, time, clocks, astronomy, astrology, and the most important, writing. The Mesopotamians excelled in maths and astronomy. As we count by tens in the present day, they counted by 60s. They divided an hour into 60 minutes and a minute into 60 seconds. A year consisted of 12 months with 30 days in each month. Days and nights were divided into 12 hours each. Mesopotamians gave specific names to different stars and planets. And they could also predict eclipses. Now, this is the picture of a clay tablet which was used as a writing in the form of cuneiform. Cuneiform was the system of writing which was known as a cuneiform. So writing was invented by the Sumerians about 5,500 years ago to record all the details of the trade. And the most famous of these are the tales about the legendary hero Gilgamesh. Okay. Hammurabi's Code of Law. Now Hammurabi was the ruler of Babylon, which was who was best known for the development of a code of law known as the Code of Hammurabi. This code of law was developed to regulate the Mesopotamian society. This code of law was important in the ancient Mesopotamian society because it set the first written laws in human history. The code contained 282 laws written in 12 tablets in the Akkadian language, which was common in Babylonia. And this tablet also served as a great source of information about the society, religion, economy, and history. Each part describes in detail a crime or incident and the punishment for it. The Mesopotamian civilization was perhaps the earliest of the River Valley civilization. It lasted many millennia but ultimately fell into decline. The reason for the fall of Mesopotamians were because of various reasons. The lifestyle of the Mesopotamians must have been destroyed by war, or maybe the different city-states were fighting for the control of each other's land and would wage all-out conflicts among each other to gain territory. This was how the Mesopotamians might have declined. Okay. So this is the end of the video. But students, I'm uploading another video based on this topic, based on the achievements of the science, so that you can have a clear understanding. Okay. Thank you.